Out of every 100 people who download your EdTech app, 98 of them will be gone within 30 days. That's not a marketing problem. That's a product problem, and in the next 4 minutes, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Education apps have the worst retention of any app category on the planet, and there are 3 reasons why. Number 1, the motivation gap. Learning demands effort. When early excitement fades, there's nothing holding users in. Number 2, the linear trap. One-size-fits-all curricula bore fast learners and overwhelm slow ones. Both leave. Number 3, the guilt spiral. Miss a few days, the guilt builds and users delete the app. Not because they stopped caring about learning, but because they can't face the badge count. Duolingo solved all 3. Here's how. Number 1, the streak. Users with an active streak are 3 times more likely to return daily. Once someone hits day 14, loss aversion kicks in hard. They're not just learning anymore, they're protecting something. Number 2, commitment devices. Ask users up front, how many lessons will you complete this week? When people make a promise to themselves, they keep it. Engagement climbs simply because they said they would. Number 3, small leaderboards, not global rankings where you're one of millions. Weekly leagues of 30 people. You want to climb. You can't bear to fall back. 2 motivations in 1 feature. Number 4, adaptive AI. Too easy, users get bored. Too hard, they quit. The sweet spot, called desirable difficulty, is just hard enough to feel meaningful. Duolingo's AI predicts where you'll struggle before you do. Their adaptive exercises reduced dropout by 10%. Number 5, micro sessions, 3 to 5 minutes per lesson, designed for commutes, queues, and coffee breaks. Habits form through frequency, not duration. A 3-minute daily user beats a 1-hour weekly user in every single retention metric. Now translate this into your build. 4 features that separate apps users keep from apps users delete. Feature 1, no sign-up gate. Let users complete 1 full lesson before asking for their email. Duolingo made this change and saw a 20% jump in next-day retention overnight. Deliver value before you ask for anything. Feature 2, AI personalized learning path. Skip the rigid syllabus. Use a diagnostic quiz on day 1 to map where the user actually is, and build a dynamic curriculum that adjusts as they progress. Personalized paths improve knowledge retention by 25 to 40%. Feature 3, visible progress, not just activity. Don't show lessons completed. Show what users can now do that they couldn't last week. Feature 4, smart re-engagement, not a generic "we miss you" push. A notification that says, "You're 2 lessons from finishing this unit. Your streak is still savable." Personalized, timely, and tied to where they actually are in their journey. Everything we just covered. The adaptive engine, gamification mechanics, personalized paths, smart notifications. This is what Apptunix builds. Apptunix doesn't just write code. They build products engineered to retain, backed by the science of how people actually learn and the data of what actually keeps them coming back. Ready to build an EdTech app users don't quit? Visit apptunix.com and book your free consultation today.